are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. It is November, chili month. You asked for it. I'm bringing it to you. All right? We're doing things a little bit different on this recipe. Today's recipe, well, all the recipes in November are AI recipes. We let AI design the recipes. I told it what I wanted. He gave me this. We've done a few tweaks to it. So, let me explain. Okay, we're going to do a AI Greek chili. Okay, we're going to serve it up a little bit different. It's not going to be just in a bowl with sour cream and cheese. We have something planned. We'll show you. What else do we change? Okay, another thing I'm going to do differently from last week, I'm going to pour out the seasoning on a plate or in a bowl and then add it in later because I want to get all this seasoning out of the way. So we're not going to shake into the pot. We're going to shake into the bowl. All right? So let's get started. First thing I want you to do, as always, brown your meat. We're using lamb, Greek. Get it? Anyway, we're doing 2 pounds of lamb. Then we got seasoning, onions, garlic. Well, come on in close and I'll show you. As always with chili, tons of seasoning, smoked paprika, chili powder, oregano, ground cumin, a little bit of cinnamon to give it a little boost of flavor. Not that we don't have enough flavor here. Salt and pepper, obviously feta cheese. That'll help us at the end. We've got the Greek olives. Got some broth. What is this? Chickpeas? Yep. We got chickpeas. We got rotel, onions, garlic. Here's the lamb. We're going to serve it up differently. We're going to serve it in bell pepper bowls. We'll show you that in a minute. First thing we're doing is browning this up. Got a little bacon grease in there. This will take a few minutes. Remember, lamb is fatty naturally, so you don't have to use a lot of bacon grease. I just use like a spoonful. All right, guys. So I got all the seasoning in the bowl. I'm just going to put some of it in here with the meat. The rest's going to go with the sauteed vegetables, the onions and the garlic. So get that all mixed in. Okay. All right, now we're going to put the tomatoes in the tomato paste. Okay. Put that in right now. Get those a little sauteed. Not as long as the onions. We're going to let this get a little bit toasty. Then we'll send in our broth. And by the way, I forgot a little bit of red wine vinegar. I got some right here. That's going to be part of the recipe. It'll all be printed down below. Going to take some of our chickpeas, throw those in. Take our meat, get that in. There we go. Oh, thank goodness. Get that all broken up, all mixed in. Here is beef broth. A little red wine vinegar. Give it that tangy taste. Slowly working in. This is the important part. We're going to cover it, put it on low, let it simmer for a little bit. And we'll see in about 15 minutes. Alright guys, I never would have thought of adding this. These are the green olives sliced up. I've never had a Greek chili before. I think that's enough. Well, maybe a little more. Yeah, that looks good. Let's get that mixed up, see how it looks. It's gonna give a little tanginess, like the red wine vinegar did. We have a little juice in there from the olives. Yeah, I think, whoops. Hey, that olive's whole. How did that olive get whole? There. Oh, it is sliced. Sorry, guys. I just didn't separate it. My bad. There we go. Okay, guys, here's the interesting thing that we designed. We made these bell pepper boats. Okay? Just half bell pepper. We're gonna take the chili. Whoops. Let me spill them all over the stove. We're gonna fill each boat with the chili. Okay guys, it's all done. Wait for the cheese to melt. Wait for it to get a little golden brown, and then we're done. Okay guys, so the beauty of this spread is this can be set on the table. Guests can grab one. They can grab some pitas. If you put green bell peppers, which we didn't buy any, but it's totally for the holidays. Red, yellow, and green, it would look beautiful. So let's give this a try. I got a little bit in a bowl here, but I like the way that looks. Everybody gets a boat. Okay, guys, I'm a little nervous about putting that olives and a little bit of olive juice and I mean, it's AI cooking. How does it know what's good, right? It's not like it can taste it. Okay, so let's give it a try. Very hot, by the way. I love lamb. The feta cheese is amazing. Spices are good. Wow. No, I was surprised. I thought it'd be too tangy. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's Greek. It's a nice spread. Invite your friends over. Have a party. Let me know if you make it. All right? I love you guys. More chili on the way. See you in a bit. Oh, by the way, end of the month, we're doing a seafood carnivore chili and a meat chili. Gonna be interesting.